Hi everyone, welcome to the 48th module of Strategic Human Resource Management. In this module, we will continue and discuss the fifth and the last module for the typologies of HR functional roles. This model was developed by Caldwell in 2001 and named it as a change matrix. What it is? Caldwell's 2001 change matrix focuses on HR's role in managing change. Change maker or change agent was also one of the roles we discussed in the fourth model of HR in the last module. So very similar to that, I said in the beginning that these roles will overlap because over the period of last 10-15 years, these academics have studied the organizations and identified the potential roles played by the HR professionals or can be played by the HR professionals. So Caldwell, based on his research, developed a model known as a change matrix. He argued that Story's and Ulrich's work does not address some important complexities HR specialists face in managing change. As I said in the last model, Ulrich model and the Story's model, there was one role that was a change agent or change maker. However, Caldwell's dissatisfaction that their model or in their model, this role does not address the real complexities faced by the HR managers. As I said that bringing change in an organization is not straightforward. Perhaps sometimes organizations collapse. Many organizations have disappeared when they are struggling to manage change in the organization. We will continue and stay focused on what we talk about according to the Caldwell's. Based on previous work and his own extensive research, he developed his own 2x2 matrix, just like the two models we discussed in the past modules. Let's see what he suggests or what his 2x2 change matrix model suggests. So on the vertical axis, you will find HR vision, and on the bottom of the vertical axis, you will find HR expertise. While on the left side, it is transformative change, and on the right side, it is incremental change. So there are four change-related roles played by the HR professionals. They are named as champion, synergist, consultant, and adapter. We will talk about these four roles in a little bit more detail. So the first is champion. Change champions are high-level executives who lead strategic transformational change programs. When we talk about transformational change, it has many meanings in the subject of strategic human resource management. But if you pay attention to the word, it is not difficult to understand. Transformation. So when the organization is transformed into a new organization, it means that something making a big change in the organization. You might be changing the whole process of manufacturing in the organization. You might be changing the whole process of education in a university. You might be changing the whole process of offering services to your customers. Might be going online or might be doing something else. So in other words, this is a transformative change, large change or a major change in an organization. Usually organizations have three types of change: structural change, technological change, and processes change. So one can talk about that in a more detail, but here this is the particular role played by the champions. And who are the champions? Are high-level executives. Change comes from the top. So these high-level executives, they transform the organization from its current and existing state to the new. Synergist, this is the second role, the internal or external HR professionals. Synergists are or possibly could be internal or external change agents. When we say internal, people from within the organization. When we say external, somebody organization may hire as a consultant from outside the organization to bring change in the organization. So they coordinate and integrate complex and large-scale change projects across the organization. The whole point about synergists is that they synergize what organization management want, and this is how they implement at the lower level at different projects. The other two roles are adapters. Change adapters are mid-level HR managers or journalists who build support for change. When an organization starts bringing a change in the organization, they need a support from their mid-level managers and employees. So we call them adapter. The people who adapt first, they become a role model or they show how to do in an organization. For example, in the last semester, many universities have went online. Some people who initiated that change were the adapter. The people became a role model for others and they shown how it can be done. The last one is consultant. Consultants are a specialist, either internal or external to the organization, who implement discrete change projects. As I said that consultants are not internal, just like in the previous slide you can see synergists, they could be internal because they are having a synergy between internal and external environment and employees. Consultants are external change agents and they are brought into the organization to bring change. There is no harm in bringing external change agents. However, there are pros and cons, which is not the scope of this module, whether bringing the external change agent or the internal change agent who could be more successful. We have to see, and we will see this in a more detail sometimes later. At the moment, we are finishing with the 5 modules or 5 roles played by the HR professionals, or 5 HR models offered by the academics, in addition to the 10 roles identified by the Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development. This is a brief summary of what I have discussed recently. Thank you.